What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I've got a new product to review, a tile leveling system. We are going to use this tile leveling system as a recovery tool. We'll explain and show you exactly how this works. Let me show you it real quick. It is made by RTC Russo Trading Company. Now, I believe it's a prototype. I don't believe it's available quite yet. As soon as it is available, I will put the link in the description below with information on this tile leveling system. It is called Turnbuckle. Now, very similar to this. This is Levelhead by RTC. Now, we use this as a recovery tile leveling system on every single tile job. Shower job, flooring job. If you're using a wedge system, you squeeze too hard and for some reason the clip breaks. Rather than pulling the tile, inserting new clips and reinstalling the tile, you simply insert this, tighten down, and it'll level out the tiles. Now, it's a two-piece system here. Now, it gets lost sometimes. It takes two hands to use. It's a great product, but it's time-consuming. Sometimes this is small. It's difficult to get two hands in there and tighten it down. Sometimes you'll lose the spindle mechanism. But anyhow, so what they did was simple. Came out with a newer product, again, Turnbuckle. Here it is. Very simple, very cool design, very cool little tile leveling system. This is how it works. You insert this into the tile, grout joint, pull it flush with the tile and press down and it will level out the tiles. Rather than having, again, to pull the tile out, reback butter, insert new clips, and then reinstall. If a clip breaks, you insert this, push it flush, pull it down, one-handed, and it levels the tiles out. So, great product, Turnbuckle by RTC, Russo Trading Company. Again, as soon as it's available, I will provide a link in the description below, so keep a lookout for that. Let's show you how it works. As you can see, in a circumstance like that, the third clip broke. So what you do is fairly simple. You grab the new turnbuckle, insert it into the grout joint, twist it, and press down. There you go. Now, let me paint a quick picture for you. The other alternative is to pull this tile, reinsert a new clip, retrowel, and reset the tile. So, this is a much quicker method. Turnbuckle, tile leveling system, recovery tool. Not only can Turnbuckle be used as a recovery tile leveling system, it also can be used as a standard tile leveling system that is 100% reusable. You will need to remove the turnbuckle clip within 12 to 24 hours, and you can reuse them over and over and over again. Well, there it is. New design, new technology, turnbuckle, tile leveling system recovery tool. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.